Hello, I'm Daniel Malik. The last time I spoke to you was almost a year ago, and I'm humbled to have your attention again. Every time I come back to this stage, Changan has new global breakthroughs that I want to share with you all. On one front, Changan is developing a whole new intelligent electric car platform with Huawei and CATL. On the other hand, it is capturing the attention of automotive rankings such as JD Power, being heralded as number one amongst all Chinese brands in quality studies. For Changan, this forward-thinking ethos is not something new. It has been in motion for 160 years. The brand literally predates the world's first automobile. Still, unfortunately, a lot of people in our part of the world write Changan off as just a Chinese brand. Just Chinese? China is the future. If there's a country out there that we as Pakistanis can learn from, it's China, the biggest automotive market in the world. 5G, electric vehicles, robotics, AI, blockchain, even space. Wherever you look, China is one step ahead of the game. In a world of complacent incumbents, China is the challenger. And so are we here at Master Changan. Pitted against stalwarts, we've made a promise to smash the status quo and champion a win-win mindset. Thanks to your support, we've made great progress on this front. Despite it being one of the most challenging years in the auto industry globally, with chronic container and chip shortages, Master Changan has been expanding its production base, achieving the number one position amongst all new entrants. The Caravan has captured 53% of the MPV customer base, and the Allswin is on a warpath to success, where 1 in 4 of all cars sold in the category have a Changan badge on it, both of which are manufactured right here in Pakistan's most eco-friendly automotive plant that's already 30% powered by solar and on track to reach 60% later this year. Our customers are served by an expanding network of 23 Changan Experience Centers in 16 cities across the country, with more in the pipeline. I know what you're thinking. Is this even real? Have we simply just fudged some numbers to embellish this presentation? On the contrary, the secret to our success lies not in what we do, but why we do it. We believe the future is already here. It's just not evenly distributed. For the auto consumer in Pakistan, the future we deserve is not the future we're getting. We're treated like second-class citizens, like a sotela, and we made our peace with it. That is the problem. And nowhere is this more prominent than in the SUV segment, where we're forced to settle for either a compact gas guzzler or deal with uncomfortable, back-breaking off-roaders. It almost feels as if we're stuck in the past. Purane model, Purani technology, and most problematic, Purani soch. Master Changan wants to break that cycle. We want to bring the best of what the world has to offer to our customers, today, tomorrow, and forever. In line with that vision, today's premiere is not just for Pakistan, but literally for the whole world. We're unveiling a vehicle that will redefine the SUV segment. A vehicle that's for a specific kind of customer who says to the world, there's more to me than meets the eye. I don't just have goals, I have purpose. I can conquer whatever I set my mind to, so I'm always challenging my limits. I know I'm headed to the top and I want to get there in style. I want something that's a true extension of my personality, a ray of light that moves me forward in life. To that customer, and everybody in the Pakistan auto industry, I'm proud to introduce the Changan Ocean X7. So now you know why we think the Ocean X7 is sure to turn heads and drop jaws. The muscular form captures the eye and commands everyone's attention. From the dynamic surge flow grille to Changan's signature multi-tier matrix headlamps all the way to the infinity tail lamps. Inside the beating heart of the beast lies a blue-core 1.5-liter turbocharged engine that pulls a hair-raising 184 horsepower and 300 Newton-meters of torque, more than anything else in its class, getting you from 0 to 100 in 8.3 seconds. And despite all this power, you still get fuel efficiency that's 44% better than the competition. Once inside, you'll experience the expansive, luxurious interior with ivory fall leather and a piano lacquer dash. The cabin, biggest in its segment, utilizes 52 layers of sound dampening materials to provide the ultimate in-ride comfort whether you're seating 5 or 7. Built on our learnings from autonomous vehicle testing here in Pakistan, by far my favorite aspect of the Ocean is Future Sense, our intelligent suite of safety and driver assist technology. So, do you still want to be stuck in the past? I for one think the time for Purane Bahane is long gone. Now, we want you to claim your ground, make your mark, and we want you to say to the world,